Hello, my name is Leo Shrayber. Today, we're going to talk about deploying OnlyOffice software on AWS. Before we talk about AWS Marketplace, I would like to have a high-level overview of OnlyOffice products to make sure there is general understanding of what we offer. At the cornerstone of everything that we do is the document editor. What is the document editor? It is the component that enables people to author, edit, share, and collaborate on documents online in browser. OnlyOffice Editor is highly compatible with most popular and widely used file formats: Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. As a matter of fact, our editors were designed to adhere to the XML standards set forth by the Microsoft itself. 10 years ago, our team realized that there is going to be a great need for people to work on documents online in browser from within their own application without having to check the document out to work in the native Microsoft tools. The reason to work in documents in browser goes far beyond sheer convenience. It also addresses the security and control agendas of the very companies people work for. But what makes a good online editor? The answer lies in the user experience. Specifically, it's the fidelity of the document itself that is most important. In simple words, a document open in browser should look identical to the same document open in a native Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. And that's exactly what OnlyOffice has managed to accomplish in their relentless pursuit of perfection. The Word format document you see here is displayed by OnlyOffice Editor in browser. As you can see, the editor has all the features you're familiar with and need to do your work the same way you would do it on your desktop. Here's an example of an Excel file opened in browser by OnlyOffice Editor. Formulas, pivot tables, and most other features you use are available here. And here is the PowerPoint. So now that you understand what OnlyOffice Document Editor is, let me explain the 3 ways we offer it to our customers. Number 1, you can integrate OnlyOffice Editor into your own web-based application. Why? First, you can provide your clients with the best-in-class online editing experience and collaboration functionality. Second, you can radically differentiate your software offering. Your customers will be blown away by the experience that beats that of Google Docs. And third, you can solve for your control and security agendas by keeping the documents confined to your internal environments. The second way we offer our editors is through the integrations with other third-party document management systems. Nextcloud, Alfresco, SharePoint, Nuxio are just to name a few. We wrote the connectors to these systems. If you're using any of the document management systems on this slide, you can enable OnlyOffice editors to work with them seamlessly. These licenses are offered to companies that use these popular DMS systems in-house for the internal use only and not offered as a service. And the third way we offer our editors is as part of our own OnlyOffice Workspace. This suite of office productivity tools features 7 modules: document management system, called Documents; projects for project management; CRM, customer relationship management; email, client or aggregate; people for people and departments management; community for internal communications; and the control panel for administrators to set up permissions. These modules can be used arbitrarily and can be controlled down to the individual user level. OnlyOffice Workspace comes with desktop and mobile clients, which means you can also work on documents on your phone or on the desktop when you are offline. OnlyOffice Workspace is highly scalable and can be rebranded. Whether you serve 4 people or 4,000, OnlyOffice can handle the on-demand volume of documents and traffic you come to expect from the best-in-class software. And what can be better from a culture or marketing standpoint than having your own brand of the software that your employees use daily to complete their work? OnlyOffice Workspace is perfect for small and medium-sized businesses. This software is easy to use and easy to learn. It has most of what you need and none of what you rarely use. In other words, it's not bloated. Give it a shot. Now, OnlyOffice software can be deployed in 3 different ways: OnlyOffice Cloud, on-premises, or in the private cloud, AWS being the private cloud of choice. Let's talk about it. What is AWS? In their own words, AWS is the world's most comprehensive and widely adopted cloud platform. Millions of companies trust AWS to power their infrastructure and applications. You can lower cost, become more agile, and innovate faster. It provides on-demand delivery services via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing, without upfront cost or ongoing commitments. In other words, you only pay for what you use. AWS spans multiple regions and availability zones, so you can easily scale your application and make it available to your customers anywhere in the world. And of course, AWS infrastructure is built to satisfy the highest security standards. AWS Marketplace is a curated digital catalog that simplifies software provisioning and saves you time and resources. It features flexible pricing models and quick deployment options, so you can easily find, try, or buy your application. Choose between hourly, monthly, yearly, or multi-year contract pricing. You only pay for what you need. OnlyOffice offers 3 distinct products on AWS. First, the Developer Edition. That is the world-class document editor I talked about that you integrate into your own application. Second, the Integration Edition. That is our document editors plus the connectors to the most popular document or content management systems, such as Nextcloud, SharePoint, Alfresco, Nuxio, just to name a few. And third, the Enterprise Edition. That is our famous editor as a part of our own suite of productivity tools, which includes DMS, Document Management System, projects, CRM, email, and more. Each of these editions come with a choice of the number of concurrent document connections. Choose between 50 and thousands of connections. The number of connections relate to the number of documents being opened and worked on in real time in browser by your users. Deploying OnlyOffice on AWS is easy. AWS offers a choice of deployment methods. OnlyOffice deployment is available in the AMI, which stands for Amazon Machine Image. AMI is a pre-configured package required to launch an EC2 instance, the virtual server on AWS. One of the main benefits of AMI is that you can configure your Linux EC2 instance the way you need. Configure components such as operating system, launch provisioning, and hard drive mapping. So in essence, you are creating your own Amazon image template, which you can use again and again to create any number of instances with the exact same settings. Launching OnlyOffice on AWS is simple. Step number 1, go to OnlyOffice page on AWS. Step number 2, select the edition you need with a number of document connections appropriate for your company. We recommend the number of connections to equal half the number of users. For example, the Integration Edition, which is the editor with the connector for Nextcloud with 100 connections, will serve approximately 200 users. If the use of your application starts to exceed the number of connections, don't worry, the documents will still open in a read-only mode, and you will have a chance to upgrade the software to handle more documents. Step 3, select Amazon EC2 instance type. And step 4, enjoy OnlyOffice in your own AWS cloud. In this slide, I would like to highlight several security features you will enjoy when deploying OnlyOffice on AWS Cloud. AWS security is top-notch. They monitor their infrastructure 24/7 to ensure confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your data. You can launch additional services to enhance the security to the level you need. On the OnlyOffice application side, you have two-factor authentication, single sign-on, trusted domain, IP restriction, access right management, activity tracking, and reporting. Document data is encrypted in transit and at rest end-to-end, even when you are collaborating on documents in real time. At this time, I would like to extend special thanks to our customers and partners who made our success possible. We want to thank the open source community for contributing, downloading, and using our solutions in every part of the world in different languages. Here is the collection of useful links and emails. Take a picture of it, you will need it. I thank you all for listening. Talk to you soon. Stay safe out there. God bless.